I had a patient just the other day that told me getting adjusted had helped to calm down their heartburn. Do you suffer from heartburn? Maybe after you eat certain foods, you get this burning sensation in your chest. Well, did you know that chiropractic care might be able to help you out? Misalignments in the spine, especially in the mid-back, can put pressure on nerves that connect to your digestive system. By improving the alignment of the joints in your spine through gentle adjustments, chiropractic care promotes better health and nerve function and then supports healthy digestion. Addressing the root cause of your discomfort with chiropractic care. Schedule your appointment today to see how we might be able to help you with your heartburn and take that first step towards lasting relief.